what it is. Forget the kids, lesson comes with a rap behind it. Grind like the toilet's running, but you know we never coming funny. I say anything for a wedding ring, just to get some change. Even if I walk away with nothing, I still get 100 dozens. Cause I look like Sadie, I talk like baby, and I act like crazy. You know what it is, they freestyle on the back just to get a burger from the corner store. Swap it over the stove, make it roll, then back it up and drop it low. For the ones that know, if they don't even need to come to you. Not to your top, they not a champ, they a Sean with a hammer. Cause you know how we do it, we do it big for the whole one that knows how to do into it. And if you not me, you can't even do this. Just like we could, seriously entwined like we know we would. Talking to the one that until she guns to rain on someone other parade. To pounce around like she on the stage. From way back in 13-year-old days. No way, hey, move around the corner cause I'm not your slave. I do me even when I don't wanna. If I don't know what's going on, I'm still gonna come hard than a mother having a baby, cause you know she got 100 with other digits, like 4 other zeros. Time to split it. Make me cry. You can't make me cry, cause that'll make you dive into your own sea of bloody waters. I'm bigger than a toilet faucet that has its own